Hi, this video will demonstrate how the crusher works. Our example here is this 36 by 28 foot garage slab at 4 inches thick. This had reinforced wire that we simply will go through the crusher and can be taken out at the extraction belt. Here you can see the jaw crusher in place, taking roughly 19-inch by 10-inch pieces. It can be a little longer if you have an operator to make sure it gets arranged in there correctly. You can load it simply by a bobcat or a mini excavator. So in this application, you can see the size that we had it set was roughly about 1 inch minus, and we produced 15 tons of class 5 recycle here. So the benefits of using our service is that you can keep recycle product on site, reducing hauling costs and also using the product as this application was respread out for a new garage slab. Thanks for watching, and contact us for your next project.